Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia and I'm coming on here now because I have another parcel to unwrap. And this one here is from New South Wales. And this is from Fiona Di Savia, Di Savia. And please, I can't say it, so don't make me say it. Okay. I'll cut this along here. I hope we're going careful here. I don't want to wreck anything. My face gets itchy. Now where's the address on this? Just taking this off now to put amongst the other things over there. And so I've got, oh, look at the parcel. Isn't that nice? Do love the washi tape. I could salvage that and put it with the bits that I'm doing. I just add a bit of glue because it sticks really good to the tissue paper, doesn't it? It looks really good to the tissue paper, and it comes off all right. I'm not wrecking too much. Love this colour, this paper. I shouldn't be doing this because look, there's a card under here. I've got to have a look at the card first. So yeah, thank you very much. Okay, nice, another piece of nice washi tape. Beautiful purple. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, dear, look at that. Oh, it's got a summer shirt on it. Look at that. Look what you've done. Oh, you did a little collage of fabric on there for me and stamped the machine. Oh, isn't that good? Oh, thank you so much. Isn't that lovely? Oh, dear, thank you. It says... shoot off to the moon, even if you miss, you'll still land among the stars. Thank you. Okay, I don't think I want to go to the moon, really. Anyway, that's so nice. Thank you. I know you didn't mean that like that. I'm a silly old thing, aren't I? Late in the day yet again. Dear Sonia, congratulations on 5 years on YouTube. Thank you for all the fun, laughter and inspiration. Well, that's all right. I think fun laughing is better than crying, isn't it? So thank you very much. That is beautiful card. Lovely die cut you've got to put around there. And I do love this here. It's a good saying. And this little tiny bit of ribbon. That looks really cool, doesn't it? That is really, really nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. It is so lovely. And your name is Fiona. Sorry, Fiona. I've just... Oh, well look, Fiona, I do love that there. I do. I often see your comments too on my channel. It's very kind of you to leave your comments. You've carefully sewed all around that there. And that looks so good. Thank you so much. That's a beautiful card. Thank you. I love that. And this beautiful paper. Beautiful colour paper. Not many people actually don't like this colour. I think, oh, come on now. She's wrapped it up lots of times. So I get to undo 3 parts, sort of. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Thank you so much for these beautiful things. Look at this I got. Isn't that lovely? Oh, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? I think you live in New South Wales, do you? Yes, you do. Montana. I don't know how far that is away from me. Probably a bit. It's a big state, New South Wales. This is spread out a bit. Isn't that nice? Oh wow! Thank you so much. I do love that. Beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric. That is lovely. Oh, and a nice mauve one. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh dear. Is this an older piece? Like, is this a vintage piece here? It looks really nice. I do love it. Really beautiful. I've not seen anything like this before. Oh dear, look, she sent me this. Oh, look at this. Oh wow, thank you. A bit of heirloom sewing. Oh, I wonder if you did this. Did you do this? This is very nice. Somebody's made this, of course, unless of course it was bought that way. It could have been, I suppose. But you can make heirloom sewing like this. I don't know whether you've done this or you've bought it by the piece. Somebody could have made it. It might be off something. Isn't that beautiful? I do love that. Oh, I just feel like now I want to do something like that. Did a christening dress years ago. I've done really well with that at the show, so that was good. Thank you very much. And this piece here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? I think I've seen something like that once in these things. Somewhere I think I might have seen a piece of fabric like this. You know what? I know this is not, you know, but I got some fabric, but I can sort of sometimes tell if I haven't got a piece. You know, I think I might have some in these colours. I don't know, that somebody else had sent to me, but that is fine, because this is absolutely beautiful. And it's just, oh, my head of a night time is just going round trying to think about all the wonderful things I can do with these things. Oh, look here, and I've got a whole pile more. Look, oh, look at this lace. Oh dear, dear, look at this. Oh, I do love this yellow. Oh, I do love that. Oh, thank you so much, I do love that. It's heaps of yellow. You know what I did say once, that this is not easy to come by, and I find that it isn't either, yellow lace. I don't see a lot of it about. I use a lot of pinks and blues and that, but if I had the yellow I would use it more, because it's a really pretty colour. This is going to be awesome to make little flowers with, and I don't know, this will be trim for something. Oh dear, look at that. Oh dear, you know what? Don't tell anybody, but just will, because you're going to have to. I'm moving this room. I'm moving me room. I moved me room when my daughter moved out of home, my youngest daughter. Actually, when the eldest daughter moved out, I moved into my youngest daughter's room, and this was my eldest daughter's room, right? And I was in there, and I felt really cosy. And then when my youngest daughter moved out, I thought, oh, I'll move up to the bigger. I thought it was bigger, you know, it's not really, but I've never been right here. Never felt right here ever since I moved in. So for Mother's Day, my birthday, which are really close together in the next few weeks or so, I asked my family if it could be my birthday present. Now, when I used to say to my husband, I want to move back to my other room, he used to go, well, you're not doing that, you know, you're not doing that, and they, you know, you don't want to do that. And everybody, I kept saying it to everybody, kept telling everybody from the time I moved out, my family, and it would tell you that I was saying that I want to go back. And I stopped because I thought, well, nobody's going to help me or let me or whatever, and I cannot possibly do that by myself. So when I said to him, I want something that I think is impossible, and he said, okay, I thought, oh, and then I was so excited, and then I thought, oh no, I won't make everybody do that. And I felt down, you know. This is how it is. And then, I hope you don't mind me, Fiona, saying you're not telling all this. And then I thought, well, I feel bad, so I want to go, and I'm going to do it now, okay? They're going to help me, and we're going to do it. So I might have a few tutorials here and there, but they'll be a little bit sparse for a few weeks, but not too much, I hope. I'm going to try and still come on here as much as I can, because the plan seems to be going to make it go quick, but you know how these things last, but we'll see. But my daughter's worked out and that how we're going to do it, so I want them to do it now, because she said to me, I said, look Peggy, I said, you can go and buy me something cheap. I said, oh, $5. I said, that won't cost you nothing, but this is going to be a lot of work for you. She said, Mum, this way I can give you the best thing, the best present that you want. And I thought, well, that's really nice of you, Peggy, and that's what I want. My youngest daughter's really busy with uni and stuff, and she told me she'd buy me some packing crates, so I don't know. Anyway, so they're good, and my hubby's going to help with the big things and that, so we're going to do that. And I am so excited. I am more excited than what I was about moving up here, I'm sure, you know, and I'm thinking, well, it'll go there and this will fit there, and it'll go back where it was. Back to what it was originally is what I want it to be. So if I'm missing for a little while, that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, Fiona, I'm so sorry, darling, for interrupting this beautiful parcel, but I couldn't keep it in any longer. I just had to say that I'm so excited about moving and into this other room again. I mean, I'm not going to move out of the house because this is our home. We just love it here, and I just want to go back where I was. I don't know why, I just feel that way, you know. and I just want to go back in the other room. Anyway, so these are beautiful, and I do love them, and I'm going to be making some amazing things, aren't I? Oh, and the weather's getting cooler here, so that's really good. Oh, look at that. But then I'll be grizzling it, but I won't grizzle about the cold. Oh, look at this basin. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Oh dear, isn't this lovely? Now I do say, and I do know, but I do have a tiny bit of that, haven't I? Yeah. And I have got more now, and I'm spoilt. Look at this colour of this one. Oh, thank you so much, Fiona. That is beautiful. It's beautiful soft. Love the green too. Love this green. Oh, I do like that. Thank you so much. And I like to make the flowers out of these because they sit up really nice. This sort of lace. And this one, oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, thank you very, very much. Oh, do I love these. Thank you so much, Fiona. I thank you very much, darling. You always, oh well, a lot of you always comment, and I know some of you can't, and that's fine. But I just want you to know that I do read your comments, and I do appreciate you watching my channel. And I thank you so much for all, and thank you, Fiona, for all these beautiful things, and thank you to everybody for supporting my channel. I really appreciate that, and I think this might be up to about 65 or something entries that I've got, and I just never ever dreamed that would happen. Thank you so much, everybody, and thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.